Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody that is watching. I'm so glad you came back to watch another video. I wanted to make a special video for all the people who are injured workers and received a supplemental job displacement voucher, okay? So if you are not an injured worker and or have not received a voucher, you might want to click on to the next video, okay? So for those people who stayed to listen to the video, I wanted to share with you something that has been, I feel like with a lot of my clients, this has come up a lot. Just like in one of the first videos that I explained, your supplemental job displacement voucher has a value of $6,000, okay? So the $6,000 is cut into 3 different parts, okay? So that includes you, the reimbursements, the school that you choose to go to, and the counseling fee. So in your voucher, you already received 10% or $600 if it's worth $6,000. You received the 10% for counseling services. What does that mean? So that means with whatever vocational counselor or with whatever vocational counseling center you choose to work with will receive the 10%. Now, let me explain what you get when you receive, when you decide to work with the vocational counselor, okay? Because I feel like a lot of people kind of don't understand this, or they have been told to do the voucher and request the reimbursements and enroll on their own. Yes, that's correct. You are able to submit your reimbursements and enroll and send in all your paperwork to the insurance on your own. However, one of the benefits of working with a vocational counselor or a vocational counseling center is that, one, we do all the behind the scenes work. So that means that we're calling the adjuster, we're confirming the adjuster's information and the insurance, and we're also making sure, right, that you receive your reimbursements as the client. So that includes your miscellaneous reimbursement for the $500, and that includes your computer, laptop reimbursement for the $1,000. It also includes us making sure that the school gets paid and that they've received the money from the insurance. Because once the school receives the money or the payment directly from the insurance, then you're able to start your class in most cases, okay? Not in all cases. In most cases, the school or the course that you chose to go into or training program, you are able to start your class once the school or the program already received the payment from the insurance, okay? So that's such a huge benefit of working with the vocational counselor, because our job as vocational counselors is to do all the behind the scenes work so that you're not dealing with adjusters anymore, so that you're not calling, you're not following up, and you're not having to do all of these little requirements that the insurance is asking you. Because yes, you can go to any school that has truck driving or floral arrangements or welding or cooking or culinary or baking. However, you need to make sure that the school is a California approved school, it's on the eligible training provider list, and that the school is also willing to work with injured workers who have a voucher, okay? Because not all schools are willing to work with people who have vouchers, okay? So just keep that in mind. And if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, feel free to shoot me a text message, give me a call, send me an email. My phone number is 951-790-2185, okay? And just remember, I am a state approved. That means I am a California approved vocational counselor, okay? So that means that my services are good for any injured worker who has the voucher in the state of California, okay? It doesn't matter where in California you are, okay? Give me a call, send me a text message. My email address is aces, ACES, dot, the number 4, info, INFO, @gmail.com, okay? And I will answer any questions for you, or I can try to help you as much as I can. And I can also explain the voucher benefits to you and the $5,000 state benefit that you should receive from the state of California. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.